to go straight.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Go sideways.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Still here too.
That'll work.
Is that good? Or?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It's live right now. You guys know.
Cool. Live right now?
Yep.
Cool. Hey guys, what's going on? We're just going to wait a few minutes till everyone else gets on here, and then we'll start the demonstration of our new tool. Just give it 2 minutes. I hate that they separate the videos in like the video section. Drives me crazy.
I know.
David, have you shared it at all yet, or am I good to go?
Not yet.
All right, cool. I was just gonna start just do them all real quick. If you're cool
Oh,
with it.
oh, you got it?
Yeah, I just didn't want to double do it.
Yeah,
You were doing it at the
perfect.
same
Yeah,
time.
go for it, bro. Yeah, you can probably do it better than I can with your iPhone. Very cool.
Okay, cool. I shared it. So now people should start on and on.
I was like, that shit says 5.4.
All right, guys, we're just gonna wait a couple more minutes. We're just waiting for a few more people to get on the stream, so we can go ahead and get it started.
So, dude?
Slide, come here, please. Slide. Nothing comes to mind because I mean.
Looks like everyone's having a busy afternoon. That's a good problem.
Yeah.
Hey, David, could you fill in for just a couple minutes? Just
Yeah.
noise so they know we're live.
Right. Yeah, we're still live, guys. We're filming this down in our warehouse today since that's where we got the computer set up to run the thermal imaging camera. We're just waiting for a few more people to show up. Just got the video shared to a couple of different groups on Facebook, so once enough people have seen the shares on the different groups, we'll start covering using the machine.
Yeah, nothing I can think of now.
You guys can see the comments.
I think so. Yeah, we should be able to. I should probably pull up the video on my phone.
Yeah.
Are y'all trying to export one of people's phones and shit?
Yeah, we see we got 8 people watching us right now. They can hear you.
I said it.
I don't know how good those microphones are.
That's a very good point. I'm going back.
We got 9 people in here. Oh man, it wants me to watch it in the app. I can't watch it through mobile. I don't want to download the app. Huh?
Are you admin?
On the Indie Gadgets page? I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're just waiting for a few more people to show up, guys. If you have any preliminary questions, you guys can just put them in the comments. We'll take a look.
What's sold is still good, but everything else. Yeah, okay.
Am I seeing anything?
I think that's where all the comments show up, just
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah, ignore what pops up from top.
Right.
She asked for me.
No, it was Max. Hey Ryan, yeah, we had a feeling that some people would want to get a demonstration of the machine in action, so we were getting prepared for this pretty much all day since we got them in. I think we received them in our DHL shipment yesterday and had a plan to just get one set up today. Don't worry, Nate, you'll buy it. Won't let me see the entire comment.
No.
That's
I don't know why
silly.
it does that.
That's silly.
I told Rob this morning he'd be the first one to buy one. Him and Ben.
Who?
Nate and Ben.
Oh, you think Nate and Ben are gonna get them? Rosso, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, because Louis Rossman made a video about it not too long ago, about two weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I think. He got one.
I seen Sven gave somebody one. They screwed him over.
Someone screwed him over?
They just did it for like advertising, and then they didn't advertise.
Oh, no. But it wasn't actually like for sale.
No, it was just a him. He made a YouTube video and put like his own link in the description.
Can you guys hear us all right? You picking up everything on the microphone? If you guys want to comment, just with a quick yes or no. Or I guess with no, we wouldn't know. Cool, thanks Ryan. Oh wow, this has a lot of options. So you can set the range of different temperatures, right? That's very useful.
It's a little bit over time. Right. You see that?
Yeah, the temperature
Yeah.
meter. Yeah. Yeah, we'll probably need to adjust it. I guess there's nothing much interesting to see. We just have a, look here, we have a iPhone 10 board right there, the battery, just kind of raw on a piece of cardboard. I'm 24, Nate. All right, Scott's back with his deep voice.
Are they making fun of your voice? You guys are so mean.
Yeah, that's what I get.
All right, did we start it all yet?
No,
or?
we're
Okay,
just
cool.
waiting.
Perfect. Sorry for the delay and everything.
You can go ahead and get started.
Cool. All right, so
Just power the
and just in case any of you guys don't know, we already have this listed online. And if it's not already, we can go ahead and put the link to it in the description of this video, right? Or no?
It's not on there, but we can.
We will put it on there after we're done recording and everything. So, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna show you basically how to use the software to the best of our ability, because we've been using it, today, and kind of go from there. And if you have any other questions, please definitely comment them so we can answer them.
Start off by just telling them like what they'll get and how it's going to plug up into that. So you'll get base, stand, and camera.
Okay, you'll be getting the base, the stand, and the camera. This piece right here is the only thing that needs to be assembled. It just gets screwed on by this right here. And then the little L bar just kind of sits in this little base. And then the software, that's going to be obviously what you use to actually read everything, see it on the computer. That we're going to put a link to in the actual product page. So you'll be able to pull that up, click the link, and you know, pull up the software and everything that you need, which is free, by the way. So we're gonna go ahead and you know, lay a board down so that way you guys can see. And this is gonna be checking for, you know, any issues on the board, anything that's storing too much heat, which is a, you know, sole indicator of having a bad chip.
So it's regular.
All right, so this button up here that he's clicking, that's the target button. So what that does is right now it's kind of reading the temperature of everything. As soon as he clicks that button, it's going to zero in on the things that are throwing the most heat. And he can kind of adjust the parameters on the bottom bar and kind of read the heat a little bit different. But if you make it a little bit more defined, and this board's good, by the way, so there's no chips that are going to read bad. But what would happen is, as he brings this closer, if a chip were to be bad, so say he was like right here, you know, it'll start reading extra heat or anything like that, and it'll be very clear that something's going wrong. And then as far as the other features and everything, you have the ability to compare side by side. So what you can do is actually have, you know, the live video of your board on the, you know, the right, and then pull up a photo of, you know, a board that you know to be good or know to be bad, just to kind of compare side by side. And we're testing this out now.
These aren't for the same model. These are for older models.
Yeah, so these are for older models, but yeah, so you can pull up a picture, you know, of the same model, put it next to it, compare side by side, and kind of see, you know, what's going on with the board, why one's different than the other, et cetera, et cetera. And then you can also take still photos of the board too. So like here, if you click the button Brad just clicked, it'll automatically save a screenshot essentially of what you're looking at. And then, you know, if you want to save that screenshot, do your repair, and then line up the photos side by side again, where you have the live scan of the post-repair and the photo of the pre-repair, you'd be able to see pretty easily there if you fixed it or not.
Can you show them like demonstration of the actual video to show them?
Yeah, perfect. And we do have a video. It's all in Chinese, but it'll kind of basically show you everything in the box, how to plug it up. And them using it themselves. So this is going to show you what it actually looks like when a chip is bad.
Generic YouTube video music.
So when they pinpoint it in target area, you'll see.
Yeah, so as soon as you pinpoint it, you'll see lots needs to be done with this phone.
This isn't a phone, this is an actual,
not phone.
like a Raspberry board. Micro PC.
All right,
So
cool.
it's going to be this chip.
So that one specifically is a problem. As you see, he zeroed it in down there like Brad was doing. But this board actually does have something wrong with it. So that's the one that's going to need to be replaced. And he was able to find that out in, you know, 30 seconds right there.
Set your
And then from there, if you guys are setting up these machines and you're not getting an image for some reason, you just need to change your IP address, which is real easy to do. This video talks you through it, but we noticed on the software we downloaded that you can actually do it straight from the software. And if you do need to change your IP address, you're going to want to turn off your Wi-Fi as well. Does anyone else have any questions, anything like that? Anything they want to see us do with it?
Something like this could be from like a micro tear on the cable.
Everybody's quiet today, it's all right.
Yeah, it does actually.
Perfect. All right, last chance. Does anyone else have any current questions? Of course, if you come and watch this later, definitely post them below so we can answer them.
Yeah, it is.
Nate asked why he would have to change the IP to use the software.
And you don't necessarily change the IP, like set the IP for your network adapter in the software. It allows you to change the IP that the camera uses. So if the camera uses a certain IP for the network adapter, if the IP that it uses is conflicting on your network, then you can change the IP that it uses so there is no further conflicts. but you will be setting the adapter for a certain IP because it's networked to the camera for imaging. It's not an HDMI audio or video cable.
Perfect. Cool. Well, if, any other questions you guys have, please post them below, and we'll make sure we answer them. But thank you for coming and watching.